How's it going, everyone? Mark from Brick Foundation here, and on today's episode, we're going to be unboxing some exclusive rare LEGO sets. All right, well, they just arrived today, and it's going to be my pleasure to go ahead and unbox them for you. But first, I want to talk about saving money on LEGO. Everyone knows LEGO is expensive, so by any means necessary, if you could save some money by purchasing them, you would do it. At least I would. And that's why I use a lot of cashback sites to save money on my online purchases, like Rakuten. Now, I'm not sponsored by them. It's something that I use personally. However, if you do use my referral link below, I do get paid on if you sign up and spend at least $30 at LEGO. So, being transparent there. But I do want to let you guys know, if you sign up at Rakuten, you'll save 2.5% off at lego.com. And if you spend at least $30 at LEGO, they will give you $30 back for signing up. That is $30 back for free. That's getting $30 towards a set for free, plus 2.5% cash back, and also earning your VIP points. So it is a win-win. I'm telling you guys, sign up, use it. It helps support this channel and also helps you save money as well. All you have to do is click the link down in my description, and that will take you to the page where you just sign up. And again, save 2.5% and $30 off if you spend $30 or more. Now that that's over, let's get back to the unboxing. Okay. So we're first going to start off with the package from LEGO. And let's go ahead and get this opened up. Want to be careful with this. Don't want to damage the rare LEGO set inside. Perfect. All right, we got the regular packaging here. Receipt. Oh, look at this, guys. Looks like LEGO has gave me a gift called the Brick Buddy. Just a little keychain where you could stick stickers and other tiles on top. Interesting. Thank you for that. Didn't even know I got this. Here it is. Let's move that off to the side. Okay, so what we have here, it's Toad's Special Highway. This was a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive, which was canceled because you know why. And LEGO repurposed this for release exclusively at Legoland Discovery stores, and finally, starting October 1st, at LEGO Shop at Home. So you can actually purchase this right now at lego.com. I think right now the limit is 3, but it's $19.99 for 120 pieces. Now, if you've been trying to get a hold of the Toad's Treasure Hunt expansion set, currently out of stock at many retailers, including lego.com, which costs $69.99, so $70, you can go ahead and grab this Toad Special Highway, 120 pieces, the expansion set that you would need to get the exclusive Toad character that you'd get in Toad's Treasure Hunt for $20. This is the route I would go. Save yourself $50, go ahead and grab Toad's Special Highway. This is also a special limited edition. If any collectors out there, you're gonna want to get your hands on. Now, a few things. Again, of course, you're not going to be getting Mario with this. You need the actual starter course for that. But this is just an expansion set that will go ahead and be added to that starter course. Go ahead and go to LEGO Shop at Home, use that Rakuten discount, and go and pick up one of these. Save yourself $50 versus that Toad's Treasure Hunt. What do we have next? This one here is from Walmart. Now, I actually got a notification on Reddit. A certain rare LEGO set was available. And a few days ago, I went to go ahead and pick it up, and here it is. Thank you, Walmart. That was actually really, really quick. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, might have gone a little too deep in that one. That's the center. Aha! Yes, here it is. Move that off to the side. Here it is, y'all. Wonder Woman, set 77906. 255 pieces. This is the DC Fandom LEGO exclusive, which is now available exclusively Walmart, and if you're lucky, Legoland Discovery stores near you. Now, I know it's sad that this is actually only available right now in the US, but there are really no exclusive pieces besides just a 1 2x4 tile that says Wonder Woman #6 Fall Issue 10 cents, which is this tile right here. Otherwise, the two main minifigures you have here, Cheetah and Wonder Woman, are the exact same from the LEGO CMF DC Superhero Series, which is actually funny. It's actually at 20% off right now at LEGO Shop at Home. Besides that, the only real new character they have here is Etta Candy. However, there are no exclusive pieces to build her. You can go ahead and grab those from other sets, even though they might be hard to find. So, again, anybody that wanted to get their hands on one of these, and right now, you know, it says sold out or out of stock at lego.com. And if you don't live next to a Legoland Discovery, which are few and far between in the US, go to Walmart, $40, pick you up one of these, and also the Toad Special Highway, 20 bucks. It's a great way to get your hand on some Lego exclusives, and again, you can add this to your collection. Now, the difference between these two sets here. One is for play, one is for display. So, play and display. Which one is going to be fit for you? That's for you to decide. I'm going to go ahead and go with both, because you can grab these two for $60. That's not a bad deal for some great Lego exclusive sets. So, that's all I have for you guys. Just a quick little unboxing. Remember, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.